So, dear students, today we are in COMET portion and we are doing the COMET of chapter whole number, and we are going to start the classwork portion, which is question number 1. Question number 1 from classwork portion. The question says that find the number which when divided by 25 gives 145 as the quotient. 125 is a divisor. It is telling it is divided by 25. So it is divisor. 145 as the quotient. It is also written quotient. Then it is written 7 as remainder. Okay. Now only one thing is missing. That is dividend, which we have to find it out. Now always remember, whenever we divide, when we do the procedure of division, remember this is called divisor. This is called divisor. This is called quotient. This is called dividend. Dividend. And the last thing which is left over after division, that is called remainder. Okay. So always remember, whenever you have quotient, remainder and divisor, and you have to find it out what is dividend. So the process is very easy. I can tell you very easy, a simple formula that dividend is equals to Q into D. D means divisor. Q means quotient. Okay. Q means quotient. D means divisor. Plus remainder. R means remainder. So Q means quotient. D means divisor. R means remainder. Now we will just put down these values. What will be the values, beta? Q was already given in the question, that was 145, multiply divisor. Divisor was also given, that was 25 only, plus R. R means remainder. That was also given to you. That was also given to you. Okay. Now, very simple process. First, you need to just multiply. So, what will you multiply? 145 with 25. So, when you will multiply 145 with 25, you will get it 3625. 3625. I have multiplied it one-sided. So that is why I am writing directly the answer, that is 3625. Then plus 7. Beta, don't add 25 and 7 at first, because you are doing according to solution, according to BODMAS. And according to BODMAS, addition, subtraction comes at last. First you do multiplication or division. So here first I have multiplied, then I have added 7. So now when you will add these two, you will get the answer 3632. This is our answer of this particular question, that is 3632. According to this formula, that quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, if you will put the value, because in the question it was given that quotient was 145 and divisor was 25 only. So 145 multiplied by 25 will give you 3625. Then plus, which is already written over here, remainder was 7 in the question. Okay. So now we will be adding these two, you will get it 3632. And or remember beta, this process is also there when you were doing it division, no? So आपको यहाँ पर ये check करने की process सिखाई गई थी, that in this process you were using it for checking also, that whether your answer is correct or not. So this process we are using here for knowing what is dividend. ठीक है? Yes. So students, question number 2 is find the amount donated to Vriddh Ashram of the largest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 350. Okay. So the question is that you have to find the amount which is donated to Vriddh Ashram of the largest 4-digit number, beta. It means you have to tell the amount in such a way that it should be the greatest number of 4 digits. Okay, it should be the greatest number of 4 digits. So all of you know about what is the largest number of 4 digits. Please type in the chat box, beta, what is the largest number of 4 digits, which you have studied from very junior classes. Very good, very correct. The largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay, this is largest 4-digit number. Now the question is telling it should be divisible by 350. It should be divisible by 350. So what we will do? We will just check it that whether this number is completely divisible or not. Because the question is telling this number should be exactly divisible. What do you know about exactly divisible, beta? The meaning of exactly divisible is there should not be any remainder. Okay? There should not be any remainder. When you talk about the word exactly divisible, that means there should not be any remainder. Remainder should be 0 in case. Okay? Now look at here. Let us divide it. 3 digits, we will also take 3 digits. Now 350, we'll take it 2 times, it will give you 750. So now let us subtract it. 9 minus 0 will give you 9 only. 9 minus 5, it will give you 4. And 9 minus 7, it will give you here 2. This will be left. Now in the next step, this 9 will come down. This 9 will come down. And now you just have to do it again. So let us do this. 350, let me do it 8 times. 8 zeros are 0. 8 fives are 40. Carry here 4. 8 threes are 24. And 28. Sorry, it was 7, sorry, beta. It was 700. It was 700, sorry. It was 7. By mistake, I have written it. Yes, 35 twos are 700 will come. Okay, so it was by mistake, sorry. Okay, so 35 twos are, it was 700. It will be 9 only. This will be 9 only. This 9 minus 7 will be 2 only. Now, when we are doing it, 8 threes are 24. 24 into this will be giving you 2800. Okay, now the multiplication is giving you 2400. Okay, 2800 you are getting it over here. So it is going 8 times. 8 times you are getting 2800. Now when you will do this, what will you get it, beta? You will just subtract this. It will give you 9. This will also give you 9. And 9 minus 8 will give you 1. 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, which will give you here 0. That is cancelled over here. Now what can you see, beta? You are seeing that it is not completely divisible. It is not completely divisible. There is some remainder. Now tell me, if you want to make it completely divisible, tell me which number should be removed. Which number should be removed? Then this number will be completely divisible. Tell me, which number should be removed from here to make it completely divisible? Use your chat box. Very good. Very correct. If you remove 199 from the question, you will be getting the number which will be completely divisible. So how will you do that? 9999 minus 199, because 199 was extra. So I am removing that. 0, here again 0, here 8, and this is 9. 9800 will be the answer, or you can call it rupees 9800 will be donated to Vriddh Ashram. Now this question is also finished. Question number 3 is telling here, find the least 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 215. Okay? It means you have to find it out a number which should be divisible by 215 and it should be least 4-digit number. सबसे छोटा number होना चाहिए 4-digit का. So what we will do? We will do it a very simple process of this one. We will just simply write it down the table of 215. 1 time, then 2 time, then 3 time, then 4 time, then 5 time, then 6 time, and we will see that whenever we will get it the 4-digit number, we will leave the process. Okay, we will start writing this process and we will see whenever we will get the number which will be of 4-digit, we will stop this process. Okay, let's start doing multiplication along with me. Then I will tell you why we are doing this process. Okay, I will also explain you why we are doing this. It will be the easiest method of doing this one. Now let us discuss one by one. Start beginning from here only. Start writing multiplication beta and tell me what will come. Students, as you all can see, I have written the table till 6. Okay, 6 times. Now 215 multiplied by 1, which you are getting 215. Then 2 times 430, 3 times 645, 4 times 860, 5 times 1075, 6 times 1290. Now you can see this is a 3-digit number. Okay. Now this is also 3-digit number. This is also 3-digit number. This is also 3-digit number. And just check. This is 4-digit number. This is also 4-digit number. Now after this one, you will get it 4-digit number only. But if you want the least 4-digit number, because the question was asking from us, it should be the least number which should be divisible. Okay, least number means it should be the smallest one. तो यहाँ से अब सारे बड़े नंबर आते जाएंगे ना. The number which will come now, it will be larger and larger and larger. But you need smaller one, the smallest. So the smallest will be 1075. So the correct answer will be smallest 4-digit number. This will be 1075. This will be the answer over here. Yes. So now students, we are doing question number 4. That is, which least number must be subtracted from 13601 to get a number exactly divisible by 87. Now it is again telling exactly divisible. And beta, what do you mean by exactly divisible? Again the same thing. The number should be completely divisible. There should not be any remainder. And when there should not be any remainder, you have to just see that remainder should be only 0. Correct, Ojal? Your video is clear. It will be 0 remainder. Okay, remainder should be 0. So we will divide this number by 87 and let us check that it is completely divisible or not. Let us divide along with me. Please do it along with me, beta. So first of all, 87, then you are knowing we will take 2-digit, here also 2-digit, but 87 will not divide 13. So we will take 3-digit at a time. So now let us see 87 2 times what is coming. 2 7s are 14, carry here 1, 2 8s are 16, 16 1 17. It means 174. A greater number is coming. So we will only take 1 time. That will be 87 only. Now we will subtract this. After subtracting 16 minus 7, it will give you 9. And 12 minus 8, it will give you here 4. 49 is coming. Now after 49, in the next step, next number will come down. That is only 0. Now let us divide it more. 490. Now let us see how many times it is going. 87, 4 times let me do. 7 4 are 28, carry here 2, 4 8 are 32, 32 and 3 34, 348. Now let us do 5 times. 7 5s are 35, carry here 3, 5 8 are 40 and 43, 435. Now let us try it 6 times. 87 multiplied by 6. 87 multiplied by 6 we are doing now. 6 7s are 42, carry here 4, 6 8s are 48, 48 and 452. 522. It means it is coming larger. So what we will do? We will take it only 5 times. And when you will do it 5 times, beta, you are getting 432. Sorry, 435. Okay, now we will only subtract this. I am rubbing this one because there is no need of it. Now 10 minus 5 will give you over here 5. 8 minus 3 will also give you 5. And this will be over here. 4 minus 4 will get cancelled over here. This is 551. Okay, 551 will be there. Now see this. 551 has again came here, and now see we have written also. 551 से just closer कौन सा हो जाएगा बेटा? 522, which we have done it 6 times. Recently we have done it, है ना, 6 times. So we will write it down 6 times, which is giving us 522. Now we will subtract this. Minus we will do 11 minus 2. It will give you here 9. It will give you 4. 4 minus 2 will give you only 2. 5 will get subtracted and only the answer will be 29. It means we are not able to solve this question completely. You are having 29 left. आपका 29 बच जा रहा है बेटा, which is extra and you don't need any extra. So here the answer will be, which least number must be subtracted? The answer will be 29 must be subtracted. Finish. This is the solution.